morning, I see people strutting around the office with what they call breakfast. So McDonald's breakfast is my office flex. I get a sausage McMuffin made with savory sausage topped with melty American cheese, fluffy eggs, sausage, melty cheese, green chilies, and onion, or crispy hash browns. And then I get another one for just $1. Nobody can match my breakfast flex. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Prices and participation may vary. Cannot be combined with any other offer or combo. Valid for item of equal or lesser value.
Experience the magic at Frozen, Disney's latest hit Broadway musical. From the producer of The Lion King comes the show critics are calling a serious mega hit. Frozen is a can't-miss Broadway event. Performances begin November 18th at the Orpheum Theater. Get tickets at BroadwaySF.com.
Life gets a lot more magical when you dream. So let's dream of a vacation unlike any other. A magical Disney new stories meet tales as old as time. Family will be cared for the moment you step aboard. Book a limited time San Diego and get ready for a dream come true with Disney Cruise Line.
Okay, you know those amazing spots only the true San Francisco locals are in on? Like that place with the square pizzas? The spot for sweet and sour chicken that's anything but so-so. Or, you know, with the ranch dressing. And all the other spots, the real stuff locals know without us even saying them. Yeah, they're on DoorDash. San Francisco gets it. DoorDash has it.
Here's the deal. I've had constipation with belly pain, discomfort, and blowing for years. I've tried a lot of laxatives and fiber supplements, but my symptoms keep coming back.
You could have a chronic condition called irritable bowel syndrome with constipation, or IBS-C. Linzess, or linaclotide, is a prescription medicine that treats IBS-C in adults. Linzess works differently than laxatives. It lets you have more frequent and complete bowel movements and helps with overall abdominal symptoms, belly pain, discomfort, and bloating. These symptoms were studied in combination, not individually. 2 years old, it may harm them. Do not take Linzess if you have a bowel blockage. Get immediate help if you develop pain, especially with bloody or black stools. The most common side effect is diarrhea, sometimes severe. If it's severe, stop taking Linzess and call your doctor right away. Other side effects include gas, stomach area pain, and swelling. There could be more to your story with IBS-C. Talk to a doctor today. Say yes to Linzess. Learn more at linzess.com or call 1-800. Sponsored by AbbVie and Ironwood Pharmaceuticals.
I absolutely love my dog, but the constant shedding, not so much. But then I got a Swiffer Sweeper pet kit, and it is amazing. These super thick cloths pick up a crazy amount of hair. Just look at all that. And that was from just one swipe. And the best part? Sweeper's so much easier to maneuver than a broom or a vacuum, easily getting around chairs and under the couch. You're right. Now I can focus on you, not your Swiffer Sweeper pet kit, because shed happens.
Macy's one-day sale is going on now with great deals of the day to update your rotation, like 40 to 50% off fall must-have styles for him and for her, 30 to 50% off the perfect shoes and bags to match, and get 40% off your new favorite designer fragrances. Plus, get your order even faster when you pick up curbside, in-store, or get same-day delivery, now at Macy's. Savings off sale and clearance prices, exclusion apply.
Who protects the flock, and that requires an because when safety and well-being are on the line, it's the details that can save lives. Even when no one else is watching, you see everything. Grainger gets you, and we're here for you, and all the ones who get it done with a wide range of safety products and solutions, plus board-certified safety consultants here to answer your questions. Call, click Grainger.com, or just stop by. Grainger, for the ones who get it done.
A stranger with a gun fires on 2 teens, shattering lives. But listen to The Letter at theletterpodcast.com or wherever you get your podcasts.
Number one for all the hits. 99.7 now.
What you vampire.